Let's continue on lists. Let's see what we built in the previous chapter. A list, very basic list. We can click on the first name and the system is telling us hello followed by the first name. Now we will want to delete items from this list. So I'm going to introduce a new concept, the long click concept. So basically on a real phone, if I put my finger on a name and leave my finger on the name for a couple of seconds, then it's going to delete the first name. So in the code, I'm going to change my item click listener for an on item long click listener. Perfect. We'll change the name of that object to item delete listener. So it's a new on item long click listener. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is get rid of what I had here, and I will ask Eclipse to reinstall the unimplemented methods. As I did previously, I will name this one parent and this one position. And here I'm going to use what I created before, item selected, and we're going to say that it's parent dot get item at position and position. And I'm gonna convert that to a string. And now I'm gonna tell my adapter that I want to delete that item. So adapter dot remove item selected. Good. But now let's have a look at what we did here. We just asked the system to remove an item from the list. We never asked the system to update or redisplay the list. So let's do adapter dot notify dataset changed. This is gonna send a message to the view, and the view is gonna redisplay itself. Now you see that as opposed to on item click, in the on item long click listener, I have a return, and here I have a return false. Well, that's what you do, return false, when you have correctly handled the case. And you do return true if you have done something, but you also want the system to do what it would normally do when a long click is detected. So we have a mistake here. Okay, let's set on item long click listener. We'll provide the name item delete listener. I'm saving and I'm checking. I have my list. I can click on names. Nothing's happening. That's okay. But if I see a long click, the name disappears. Destiny is disappearing. And same for all the names I have here. So it's an interesting feature, but on a, let's say, user interface standpoint, I would really need a dialog box here to ask the user to confirm the deletion. That's what we're going to do in the next chapter.